Hello kids, a very good morning. Welcome to St. Thomas Babyland School. Myself Mrs. Asmita, and today our subject is English written. In our English written subject, we will start our new book, My English Notebook. Okay. So in this book, first we have to write some patterns. Okay. So I'll show you how to write and which lines you have to write. Our topic is track and complete the patterns below. Here I wrote 4 lines, red line, blue line, red line, blue line. So I'll show you how to write patterns in line to line. Okay. First we have to start with this pattern. Line. We will start from red line to blue line. Next, curves. Start with a red line to small curves and finish with a blue line. This also curves. Red line to blue line and blue line to blue line. This way. Next is like this way. You have to do in your book also. Next pattern is start with a blue line, come down, go up, come down, go up and come down. Next pattern is start with a red line, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. Curves, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. Next is this way. Like this way. Okay. Start with the red line to blue line, red line to blue line, and this type. Our next pattern is we will start with a blue line to blue line. This way. And start like this way also. You have to write these all patterns you have to write in only 2 lines. Blue line to blue line. Okay. Start with a second blue line to blue line. Okay. Next, start with a blue line. Go up, small curves. Go up, small curves, and go up and curves. This pattern you have to write in 2 lines. Red line to blue line. Start with a blue line. Go up, touch red line, come down, go up, come down, go up and come down. Like this way. And this pattern you have to write in this 3 lines. Blue line and red line. Like J. Writing 2 lines. Writing blue line to blue line. Okay. Now I'll show you in our textbook, My English Notebook, page number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we complete our 4 pages. Okay children. Open your book, My English Notebook, page number 1st. Okay. So children, today we start in our English written video, My English Notebook, part 3. Okay. Now, first we start with page number 1. Okay, page number 1. Here you have to write date 17/9/20. Okay, this is your classwork and this is your homework. Okay, so let's start. We have to track and complete the patterns below. Here we have so many patterns. So first we will start from this. You have to start like this like this. Okay, next we have to start like this. And next is you have to track and complete like this way. And this also you have to start by red line to blue line like this way. This all and this you have to do at your home. Okay, now we will start our second page. Track and complete the patterns below. Here also you have to write the date 17/9/20. Here also this way. Down, go up, down, go up. Start with a red line, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. Start with a red line, curves like this way, and last one is this, like this way. This all patterns you have to do at your home. This and this, and in our first page these two, this pattern. Now we will start our third page. Here also write the date 17/9/20, and here also same date 17/9/20. Here track and complete the patterns below. Here's curves, so we have to start with a blue line to blue line. Start with the blue line, go up, down, up, down, up, down, like this way. This whole pattern we have to complete. Okay, these two lines you have to complete. And our fourth page is this, our last page. Here track and complete the patterns. Here start with a blue line, curves, go up, curves, go up, curves, go up, and curves, like this way. This we have to write in two line. This is blue line and this is red line, like this way. Red line to blue line, in two line we have to write. Okay, and start with the blue line to blue line. Simply we have to track and complete these all patterns. Okay, the last is okay. Now this our 4 page complete. These all pages 1, 2, 3 and 4 pages you have to write in your English notebook part 3. Okay children, now bye bye, have a great day.